Hi everyone. Today we're going to start a unit on the elements of art. The elements of art are line, shape, color, texture, form, value, and space. The very first one, the most important one to me, is line, and we're going to talk about line today. I will have uploaded a worksheet I created for you so that you can download it, print it out, and do this on your own. But for now, let me show you what I've got. So we're talking about line. We're going to talk about a vertical line. That's a line that goes up and down. And then we have a horizontal line. That's side to side. The way I remember horizontal is because I think about the horizon line. There's a diagonal line, and a diagonal line can be anything between a vertical and a horizontal. We can do swirly lines, and we can do zigzag lines. We can do a straight line. We can do a thick line. See how I'm using the side of my pencil. Or we can do a thin line. I can do a light line that's almost impossible to see, or I can do a very dark line. There's dashes and there's dots. There can be a rough line or a smooth line. We can talk about what different lines do. Many of you remember that I've talked about landscape design, and we talked about parallel lines and how parallel lines never merge. But if I'm doing a landscape as an artist and I want to express the sense of distance, I do that by creating a horizon line and then a vanishing point. And now I'm going to do a road or a highway. And a road or a highway is made up of parallel lines, but because as an artist I'm trying to express distance, two lines can merge at the vanishing point to express distance, bearing in mind this is a road, and these are vertical lines, but as objects recede in space, they get smaller and smaller. Now I want to talk about how line can be used to create emotion. That sometimes the word that people use is emotive, but we're going to use emotion. The direction of the line can indicate something. Horizontal lines often are considered to be restful. Vertical lines can sometimes indicate force, maybe pressing down on something. Diagonal line going up is considered good. Diagonal line going down is considered bad or declining. The rhythm of a line, something that's regular or orderly is relaxing. Arrhythmic can be unpredictable or create tension. Sharp angled lines can indicate anger. Smooth lines can be considered gentle. The weight of a line is important. A thick line can be aggressive. A thin line can be considered delicate or graceful. Now I'd like you to try some of these lines as well.